Hello everyone, today we will talk about water. Water is a vital substance that sustains life on earth. It's a clear, tasteless and odorless liquid that covers about 70% of our planet's surface. What is water? Water is made of tiny molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. Each one is so small that you can't see it even with the most powerful microscope. Pure water has no color, no taste, and does not smell of anything. Water exists in three forms on the earth, that is solid, example ice, snow. Second one is liquid like ocean, rain, dew, fog or mist. Third, gas, steam or water vapor, that is invisible water in the air. Where can we get water? About 97% of the water on the earth's surface is in the world's ocean. This is where you can find most of the other 3%, that is lake, river, polar ice cap, clouds, rain, stored in rocks, sea ice. Question arises, why do we need water? To carry nutrition and waste in the body, to lubricate joints, digestive tract and body tissues, to cool the body especially during periods of physical activities, to be used in factories, agriculture, hospital, hostel, etc. When we talk about this much about water, one question arises in our mind that how much water do we need? The answer is most people need about 6 to 8 glasses of water each day. Another topic is most common reason for increased demand of water. Increase in world's population as more people live in cities and big towns. Increase in farming because farmers started growing more crops. Increase in money earned because people use a lot more water in their homes. Just because increasing demand of water, there is water shortage. Water shortage happens when an area does not have enough water to meet the needs of the people who live there. A shortage is caused by too much demand or not enough supply.